Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best borescopes, selected for their faster, save repair costs, improve accuracy, and deliver reliable visuals in tight, hard-to-reach areas every time. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Teslong TD450S Borescope. The Teslong TD450S Borescope stands out as a powerful and user-friendly inspection tool designed for both professionals and serious DIY users. Its two-way articulating probe is the highlight feature, allowing the camera to bend and rotate smoothly through tight, confined spaces. Whether you are inspecting engine cylinders, HVAC systems, or inside walls, the flexible probe makes accessing hard-to-reach areas far easier than traditional rigid inspection cameras. This articulation saves significant time and eliminates the need for unnecessary disassembly, which ultimately saves money on repairs. The 4.5-inch IPS display delivers impressive clarity and color accuracy. The screen provides a crisp, vibrant viewing experience that ensures you don't miss fine details, such as cracks, leaks, corrosion, or debris buildup. Unlike smartphone-dependent endoscopes, this standalone unit offers stable, real-time visuals without Wi-Fi lag or connectivity issues.
Number 2. WDSZKMYF 346H Borescope. The WDSZKMYF 346H Borescope is a versatile industrial inspection camera built to handle demanding automotive and mechanical tasks. Featuring a two-way articulating design, this borescope allows users to smoothly adjust viewing angles using a control wheel. The 360-degree maneuverability significantly improves inspection accuracy by enabling thorough viewing from multiple directions without repositioning the entire cable. Equipped with either a 4.3-inch or a 5.0-inch LCD monitor, the device provides vivid real-time imaging with 1080 by 720p HD resolution for video and up to 1920 by 1080 for photos. The display offers a wide viewing angle and sharp detail, making it easier to identify small cracks, leaks, or component wear. For automotive professionals, this level of clarity is particularly useful when diagnosing engine cylinder conditions or inspecting internal mechanical parts. The 6.0mm camera head is slim enough to navigate confined spaces while remaining sturdy.
Number 3. Articulating Inspection Borescope. The Articulating Inspection Borescope is designed with advanced maneuverability in mind, making it particularly appealing to professionals who require full visual control inside complex machinery. Its standout feature is the 4-way 360-degree articulating probe, which allows complete directional control without manually twisting the cable. The probe can bend and rotate smoothly and even lock into a specific angle for stable, detailed inspections. This capability eliminates blind spots and significantly enhances diagnostic precision. Powered by a 1.0 megapixel CMOS sensor, the camera captures clear, real-time video and supports 720p recording. While not the highest resolution available on the market, the image quality is stable and dependable, especially compared to wireless or Bluetooth-connected endoscopes that may suffer from lag or interference. The built-in display ensures a steady, uninterrupted viewing experience without the need for a smartphone connection. This borescope excels in automotive and mechanical applications. Number 4. SucceBuy Articulating Borescope. The SucceBuy Articulating Borescope combines modern display technology with practical articulation features to create a highly capable inspection device. Its two-way 180-degree steering system allows smooth left and right lens rotation, making it easy to explore tight, hidden spaces. The articulation mechanism feels controlled and precise, enabling efficient inspections without excessive cable manipulation. One of its strongest advantages is the upgraded 5-inch IPS display, which supports crisp 1080p HD images and video recording. The vibrant color reproduction and sharp detail help users detect even subtle structural damage or buildup. Additionally, the multi-level zoom function, ranging from 1x to 8x, adds versatility, allowing closer examination of specific areas without physically repositioning the camera.
The slim 0.25-inch IP67 waterproof lens expands accessibility to narrower spaces than standard 0.3-inch lenses.
Number 5. LAFOCH J500 Borescope. The LAFOCH J500 Borescope is designed with simplicity and durability in mind, making it an excellent choice for users who may not be familiar with professional inspection tools. One of its most appealing features is its beginner-friendly design. According to the manufacturer, most users can master the device within minutes thanks to its integrated, straightforward control layout and intuitive operation. This two-way articulating borescope camera offers flexible probe movement, allowing users to inspect narrow or curved spaces efficiently. The articulation improves accuracy during inspections and minimizes the need for disassembly. Combined with built-in lighting, the camera delivers clear visuals in dim or enclosed areas, such as engine compartments, pipelines, or wall cavities. The J500 is the result of practical feedback from frontline engineers, which is reflected in its durable construction and dependable imaging. It focuses on reliability and ease of use, rather than overwhelming users with overly complex features. And that wraps up the top 5 best borescopes. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.